Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to make superscript in Constant Contact. All right. Normally, when we go ahead and create our document or Word, we could just easily press Control plus the equal sign, and then we could create a subscript. All right. For a superscript, we'd press Control plus Shift, and then the equal sign. Okay. Now, is it possible here under Constant Contact? Well, unfortunately, no. But is there a workaround? Well, there is. As you can see here, the easiest way, as they have provided here in their article from Constant Contact, you can just easily copy and paste. Okay? Like these ones right here, we have language characters, legal symbols, mathematics, and even punctuations. Okay? Just hold and drag, copy, then paste. All right. Other option, open up a new tab. Maybe you wanted 2 to the power of 3 as a superscript. All right. Hit on enter. And here you have it. You can just easily hold and drag and hit on copy. Paste it to Constant Contact. All right. Also, there are websites like this one, mythesymbol.com. Just click on superscript, and here you have superscripts for 0 to 9 and other related symbols. Okay. For example, you wanted to copy 8. Just click on it, go to the top, hold and drag, right click copy, go back to Constant Contact. Here we type in lion, then right click, hit on paste. Just like that. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.